everybody, this is RL57 Toys Review. Today I have another mystery model. I bought this from the diecast vending machine. It's the old Hot Wheels mystery model. Black box. Look at the back. Same thing as last time. Okay, we're going to open this up. See what I'll get. Ooh. It's a Plymouth Barracuda. It's a Plymouth Barracuda in black. It says Plymouth but at the side, and it says 33. Has logo Hot Wheels at the back. As you can see, the roof is plastic, but metal body, plastic base. Nice Plymouth. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my other videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a like on this video. Bye bye.